Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a landing page on Beehiiv. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you to capture subscribers and make your newsletter look professional. So first, you will have to, of course, log into your Beehiiv account, and once you're here, you will have to choose your plan if you don't have one yet. So before proceeding to the next steps, of course, you will have to make sure that your account is already set up. And then you will go to the pages and then landing pages and you will click new page. After that, you will choose a template or start from scratch. Then you will add your headline, your description, and your call to action button. And then after that, you will customize colors, fonts, and images so that you will be able to match your brand. You will click publish after you make your designs, your layout, and all that stuff so that you will be able to make your landing page live. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.